Devin? Whoa, hey! Haven't seen you in like a year.
Yeah, where you been, man? I stopped by your place once, but it was all nice, so I knew you couldn't be living there anymore.
Oh, wow, you did?
Yeah, how come you didn't tell me you moved?
Oh, well, I did. I moved. I'm living in Winnebago now.
Wait a minute, the infamous Bago parties? That's you?
Guilty.
Why'd you never invite me? You know I'm always good for a six-pack.
Oh my God, this is like so wild. I mean, I haven't seen you in like forever, then you just show up out of the blue.
Axel?
Cassidy!
Axel, wow. Hi. So good to see you.
What are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to be in Vassar?
No, I'm out already. I had enough credits to graduate early, which sounds great, but actually just means I'm unemployed 6 months earlier.
Yikes. And here I thought you were smarter than me.
Oh, you're that Cassidy. Axel's talked all about you. He has?
Yeah, Cassidy, Devin, Cassidy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you guys...
No. I mean, well, we used to be, but before I got married.
You're married? What?
No, not now. Not married now. I mean, it was an annulment, and, you know, it's over. It only lasted a couple of days. Who wants to do shots? Right? Who's got...
Axel?
Oh, God.
Wow. Hey, what are you doing here? I thought that seniors didn't come to this party.
Well, I am certainly regretting it.
And who's this?
This is Lexi, Sue's roommate. You look good.
Thank you.
I mean, not just you. You're not the only one that looks good. You all look good. Everybody looks good.
I'm sorry. I feel like I'm interrupting something. No, we were just catching up.
Well, this could not get any weirder.
Hi, Axel. A white wolf came to me in a dream and told me if I sacrificed my hair, you'd come back to me. You should probably make that into tea and drink it.
Huh.